Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka Deputy Commissioner Jong West Karbi Anglong District, Jong Jala Assam, ka Krishna Barwa, kalaong bakat kum ki kot kisla, bat ki map ki badon, bat ka Sarkar Assam, ka Jong Khanduli ka Hapoh Assam, bat ha West Karbi Anglong District. Yakni kala keren cikilat pathai kubur, hadin balawai ka jingalang, bat ki kli nong senchar jogi arteri ki district, kata ka West Karbi Anglong, bat ka West Giant Hills District. Kabalalong ha kasngi balang ha office Jong GC ha Jawai.
Whatever we feel, so that this kind of situations do not arise in future, then we can have a peaceful situation out there, because people over there are very simple. Okay, they don't want any kind of disturbance. If whatever happens, say third party comes out, then they incite the people, then it happens. So basically we will be having more coordination with the grassroots level, say all from the grassroots level, from the police administration and from us. We already have a very close relations with everyone, but the main thing happens, say in the grassroots level, they may not be aware of what is happening. So these things should be shared very frequently with each other, and we want to resolve the issues as soon as possible, because we have the resident committee from here also and from Assam also. They will meet soon, and with the highest authorities' approval, it will be solved very soon. Revenue matters, as it is, as we have discussed already, the revenue matters here, it is from your joint tier councils, under the joint tier councils, and from us also it is for the Karbi Anglong autonomous councils. So any development activities, this is their autonomy is there. So whatever they do, they don't inform us. So later, because that's why maybe this is happening. So we'll convey the message to them that whatever the construction work, development work they will be doing, if they inform us, then we will be definitely informing the district administration. Say revenue point of view or revenue documentation, whatever we have a discussion with the revenue officials. They stated as per their map, whatever the map we have, the Khanduli states it is within the jurisdiction of our district.